Hey guys, it's me, Levitate, back with another video, and in this video I will be showing you guys how to make a 2D platformer in Unity. So before we start, you're going to need Unity. I left a link in the description for you to download it. So you're going to want to access Unity's website, register an account, and then you can download the free version of it, or a paid version if you'd like. Anyways, now that we're in Unity, you're going to want to press New, and then we're going to choose 2D, of course, since we're making a 2D platformer. And you're going to want to name your project. I'm going to name mine Tutorial Project. Put it in the location you like and press Create. Now you're going to wait until it creates the project. I'll be right back. Alright, now we're here inside of Unity, as you can see. If you just got Unity, you're probably going to see that your theme is actually light and not dark theme like mine. If you want to change the theme to dark, you can with the newer versions of Unity. You can just search it up. I would show you guys how to actually do it, but my preferences does not want to work for some reason. Anyways, back with the video. As you can see, we have a camera here, and we are in our scene. As you can see, that color is the background of our camera. A blue that doesn't look that good. So we're going to come here and change it to a lighter blue tone right here in the color inside the camera. So I'm going to put it into a lighter color. And now we have a lighter color for our camera. Anyways, after that, we're going to want to rename our scene to level 1, or whatever you wish for, main scene, whatever. Now that we renamed it to level 1, we're going to create folders to organize our project. First folder you're going to want to create is scripts. Then we're going to create sprites. And then after you've done that, we can go inside of the sprites folder, create sprites, and then square. Alright, now we're going to name this floor or ground. And once we do that, we are going to want to drag the floor inside of our scene. We're going to place it down where the ground is supposed to be, at the edge of the camera. And as you can see, we have many different tools we can use here. The move tool, the hand grabbing tool. So we're going to move it to the corner of our screen with our move tool. As you can see right there, moving it to the ground, to the edge. Now we're going to use our resize tool and resize the floor to the edge of the camera. After that, we're going to change the color of our sprite by going in our sprite renderer. And I'm going to choose this tone of gray right here. Now as you can see, we have our ground right here. Let me just adjust it so that the camera doesn't see any gaps. Alright, as you can see, we have our ground, and for some reason the tone of the camera did not change, so I'm going to do that again. And as you can see, we have our sky, our ground. You can also change the size of your camera if you want, but I'm just going to leave mine at 5 for now. Alright, now we're going to create... Now that we've done both of those things, we're going to create another sprite called Player. Another square sprite called Player. And then we're also going to move that one into our scene. Move it with our move tool. And resize it so it actually looks like the player. Alright, there we go. Now we got a white little player. And we're going to add a rigid body to him so he actually gets affected by gravity. And if we play right here, you can see that he falls to the floor. That is because we don't have collision on him yet. So yeah, we're going to add a 2D box collider. And as you can see, we have a little green square all around him. And now that we play, we also fall to the floor. That is because our floor does not have a box collider either for the player to collide with. So once we have that, we should now be able to collide with the floor. And as you can see, our player is on the floor perfectly. Alright, moving on, we're going to resize the, you can resize the box collider if you want, but I'm going to leave it at the same right now for now. Anyways, that's about it for this tutorial. I'm sorry if the audio is kind of delayed or bad. I had to record the audio separately because for some reason all the audio that I recorded in the video did not work. So I'm really sorry for that. Anyways, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out my Patreon page in the description if you want the source code and the project for this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.